on the other hand, is the main town in the area. It has a proper downtown, a train station, and restaurants that stay open past sunset, and even a local life to make it feel like a place that people actually live. Historically, Füssen was a key stop on the old Claudia Augusta, the ancient Roman road that connected Italy and southern Germany. The town became a hub for trade and violin making, and earning a surprisingly redefined reputation for such a remote alpine town. Today, most visitors just stay here for better infrastructure, easy access to public transport, and a wider variety of dining options and lodging. In our experience, maybe we just came here at a pretty slow down time near the winter, because a lot of places actually haven't been open too late so far. A lot of places, even restaurants, have been closed. And the nightlife here doesn't seem to be anything too crazy. I mean, we went to a kind of like pub-ish bar last night and there was only a couple people in there. So at least I just believe that we're just not here during the right time. Ski season is kind of out the door and they're just waiting new summer people to come in. So I'm just assuming that we're just here at a very awkward time. But other than that, I mean, during the day, there's a ton of people. I mean, the morning was pretty quiet, but once you hit like 10 o'clock to maybe like 7 p.m. here, you're gonna be having a lot of people, a lot of dog walkers, a lot of people out and about. Shops are all open, restaurants are all open. But other than that, this is an amazing town to go. Castles, I mean, behind me, the Füssen Castle. Castles everywhere, a huge castle town. There's colorful houses all around me, so beautiful. And when the sun hits it just right, it looks so magical.
This place is super mountainous and did not expect that. Like, it has way more mountains than Innsbruck. It has way more mountains, you know, surrounding it, close to it than Salzburg. A lot of the places that we've been to. And it has this huge castle, so kind of disappointed that we went to Salzburg at all, because, you know, if we're just looking for like a mountain castle town, this is way like more up our alley.
Yeah, yeah. Hello?
Hello. I'm just here
Why are you recording?
I'm here to review your house.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I think I remember when you like hit me up on Craigslist. Okay.
Wow.
So I pay like $3,000 a month for this, and this is my room.
Wow.
Do you like it? It's not safe for you people like you.
This is a room?
Yeah, this is where I do my makeup, get ready for the day. Then this is where I sleep, stretch, eat, cook.
What do you do under here?
I don't know. That's just left for the
Is this your
mystery.
office space? Wow, that's a lot of room.
Yeah.
It's like maybe half a foot.
Well, you know, I get a lot of work done here because this has the best internet. And then
Wow.
up there, that's where my family sleeps.
Wow.
They're not up there, but they're saying hi.
Tiniest room ever.
Yeah, this is pretty
See this?
small. When we first came in here, I was actually nervous. I was
like living
really
in New York
nervous.
City.
Yeah, it is. I was like, there's no way me and Jackson are gonna be sleeping on this tiny
But
little
we
bed.
got another one up here.
Thank God. And I'm sleeping up there. I'm sleeping
So-
up there.
We're in Füssen. This place looks beautiful, amazing. I wish we would have came here earlier.
Yeah.
We regret going to Innsbruck and wasting a lot of time. We should have just went straight to Füssen, but we're here, so we can't complain.
Yeah.
But this place is gorgeous, and we really only have tonight and all day tomorrow, but all day tomorrow is just for the castle, so
Tonight we're just gonna
it's a
be
little haunting.
checking
'cause, like,
out
I wanna
this
go
city.
here.
We're gonna be checking out the old town, a restaurant.
Yeah.
And there's like this really cool waterfall walk that I wanted to check out that would be really pretty to check out. And there's not too much to
At
do.
night, though?
Yeah. But there's not too much to check out. A lot of stuff is closed. Really, the only thing that's open is bars, maybe like a club here, restaurants, and maybe some shopping. But everything here is closed, so
All right.
we only
Well,
have a little bit to do. $3,000 a month room. Well, at least get beers.
I feel like we already knew this, but we definitely need to stop just like checklisting stuff. Like, is it really worth it to go to Innsbruck for 20 minutes just to say you did and then waste time that you're supposed to be in Füssen? No, 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 no. Why did we do that?